A minus B. Don't forget, sa difference of two sets or difference of sets, titingnan mo mabuti kung ano yung una mong binanggit na set. Kasi pag sinattract mo siya ng mga elements ng second na set na binanggit for this case, A minus B, the solution for this one is the elements of A alone. Okay, so tatanggalin natin lahat ng mga elements na sinishare na kay B at elements din ni B. Pag ginawa kong B minus A yan, hindi na parehas yung magiging solution nila. Kasi this time around, pag B minus A, ang matitira namang elements ay lahat lang ng elements ng B na wala kay A. Alright? So yan, without further ado, let us start this one now. Buckle up, just begin for another fun math program. Okay, so let's have example number 1. So we still have the same given sets dito. So if you have watched my two previous videos about the union of the sets and the intersection of the sets, so I still have the same given. And yeah, you have A minus B and then number 2 you have B minus C. So let's start. A minus B. So again, list down the elements of A and B. So you'll have 2, 4, 6, 8 minus the elements of B. So that is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Since there is no common element tingnan nyo, dito sabi natin you have 1, 3, 5, 7. Wala kahit na anong elements na nandito sa set na to, na nandito sa set A. So ibig sabihin, the difference of set A and set B is simply equal to the elements of A. So which are 2, 4, 6, and 8. And that's it. I-remove lang natin yung lahat ng elements na naka B. That's how you get the difference of the sets. Okay, so let's have example number 2. You have B minus C. So again, let's list down the elements of B. So you have 1, 3, 5, and 7 minus the elements of C. You have 3, 6, and 9. So is there any common element na nandito sa C, tapos nandito rin sa B? It is the number or the element 3 para sa may 3. So tatanggalin din natin yan. Together with 6 and 9, tatanggalin din natin yung 3. So therefore, the solution for B minus C is simply equal to these elements na kay B lang alone. So you have 1, 5, and 7. And that's it. That is your difference for B and C. Let's have example number 3. You have the quantity A union B minus C. So again, meron ka dito A union B na nasa loob ng parenthesis, meaning we have to get the union first and then subtract it by whatever the elements of C is or are. Okay? So you have list down all the elements of A. So you have 2, 4, 6, and 8 union the elements of B 1, 3, 5, 7. And close this one minus the elements from C, set C, set 3, 6, and 9. Okay, walang common na term, so ibig sabihin the union of this one is simply combine lang lahat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 minus you have 3, 6, and 9. Okay, what are the common elements na nandito, tapos nandito rin sa set ng A union B? You have 3 and 6. So, ibig sabihin, hindi rin natin isasama yung 3 and 6 dito. Therefore, the solution for this one is simply equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. That's it. That's the difference. So, let's have example number 4. Our last example. We have A minus the quantity B intersection C. So, meron ulit tayong parenthesis dito. Ibig sabihin, we are going to get the intersection first. Okay, list down all the elements. So you have your A, you have 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then minus the intersection of B and C. If I'm going to write it down, the intersection of B and C, look at this one. So the intersection, yung common na term nila is just 3. So minus 3. Is there any 3 here? Di ba? Wala. So ibig sabihin, even if I'm going to subtract this one, the answer is still 2, 4, 6, and 8. And that's it. That's your answer. Alright, so that's it mga Mathsters. I hope na nakatulong tong video sa inyo para maintindihan kung paano natin ginagawa yung difference of sets. Ayan, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Math is fun. Bye everyone.
I don't wanna waste what's left. easily.